Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue chapter 6, algebraic expressions. In previous online class, we have already done exercise 6.3. Now exercise 6.3. We have also done question 1 and question 2 in previous online class. Now question number 3. Simplify. 5x plus 3x. A part is 5x plus 3x. So they are like terms, both are containing x as variable. So 5x plus 3x, that is 8x. Clear? Now b part, 8y minus 4y. So again like terms. So 8y minus 4y, that is 4y. So it is compulsory that the terms will be like terms. In case of unlike terms, they are not further solved. So it is compulsory that if you want to solve the problem, then given terms are like terms. After D, G. 11x minus x. That is 10x. Again they are like terms. Got it? Now question 4. Question 4. Simplify the following expressions by adding or subtracting the like terms. So it's a part. 8a plus 3a plus 2. 8a plus 3a plus 2. Now you observe that these two terms are like terms. These two terms are like terms. So 8a plus 3a, that is 11 plus 2. Now it is not further solved because 11a and 2b, a and b, they are unlike terms. They are unlike terms. In case of it is 2a, then 11a plus 2a, that is 13. But it is b and it is a, so they are not further solvable. Now d part. Now again these two are like terms. 8p plus 2p, that is 10p minus 3. So this is the final answer. Because p and q are unlike terms. After D, G part. Five AB plus BC minus 3A. So initially we rearrange the given terms. So 5AB minus 3AB. 5AB minus 3AB. Now they are like terms. They are like terms. And plus BC. So 5 minus 3, that is 2. 2AB plus BC. So this is the final answer. Because they are unlike terms, so they are not further solved. Question 5th. Simplify the following. 7a plus 5b plus 2a minus 6b. So student, initially rearrange the like terms. So 7a plus 2a. 7a plus 2a and 5b minus 6b. 5b minus 6b. So they are like terms and they are also like terms. 7a plus 2a, that is 9a. 5b minus 6b, that is minus b. That is minus b. So this is the final answer because now they are unlike terms. Now they are unlike terms. Now D part. 6n square plus 3n minus 5n square minus 8n. So student, initially rearrange the like terms. So 6n square minus 5n square plus 3n minus 8n. Now they are like terms. They Here minus 8 is, that is minus 5m. So we write m square minus 5m, m square minus 5. If you write 1m square, then it is also correct, and we also write m square. We also write m square minus 5. Part 9 minus 6a plus 11 minus 6a. 9 minus 6a plus 11 minus 6a. So student, initially rearrange the like terms. So 9 and 11 are like terms, so we write 9 plus 11, then minus 6a minus 6a. So they are like terms. So 9 plus 11, that is 20, and minus minus plus, but we use negative sign. Minus minus plus, minus 6 or minus 6, that is minus 12. So 20 minus 12 is the final answer. Got it? Now question 6. Find the sum. A part 4x square minus 5x square minus 3x square and 7x square. So this is the question of sum. So we use sum in place of comma. 4a plus minus 5a square plus minus 3a square plus 7a square. Now 4a square plus minus that is minus, plus minus is minus, minus 5a square, again plus minus, then 7a square. Now a square, it means all are like terms, all are like terms. So we choose 4a square plus 7a square initially. Both are of positive sign. 4 plus 7, that is 11. Initially we choose 4a square plus 7a square. Both are of positive sign. And minus 5a square minus 3a square. Both are of negative sign. Both are of negative sign. So 4 plus 7, that is 11a square. 11a square. 5 minus 3 minus 8a square. Now further we are solved because they are like terms. 11a square minus 8a square, that is 3a square. 3a square. So this is your final answer. Clear? Initially we put plus sign in place of comma, then plus minus, plus minus. Now we rearrange plus 4a square plus 7a square in this manner, and minus 5a square minus 3a square in this manner. So 4 plus 7, 11, minus 5 minus 3 minus 8, 11a square minus 8a square, that is 3a square. So this is your final answer. Now D part. A plus b, 2a minus b, a plus b, comma 2a minus b, comma 3a minus b, 3a minus b. Clear? Initially we use plus sign in place of comma. So a plus b plus 2a minus b plus 3a minus b. Now open the brackets. A plus b plus plus plus. So plus 2a plus minus b plus 3a and minus b. Now collect the like terms. So a plus 2a plus 3 and plus b minus b. So they are like terms. A plus 2a 3a, 3a plus 3a 6a. Now b minus b 0. So we have only minus b. This b and this b cancel out each other. So minus b. So this is your final answer. As a and b are unlike terms. Got it? Now E part. 3x square plus 4x, 3x square plus 4x, comma 5x square minus 3x, 5x square minus 3x, comma 2x minus 4x square, 2x minus 4x square. So initially we put plus sign in place of comma. So 3x square plus 4x plus sign, 5x square minus 3x plus sign, 2x minus 4x square plus 7. Now open the bracket, 3x square plus 4x plus 5x square plus minus plus 2x and minus 4x square. Now collect the like terms. It means x square terms. So 3x square plus 5x square minus 4x square. Similarly, plus 4x minus 3x, plus 4x minus 3x and plus 2x. Now they are like terms. So 5 plus 3, 8. 8 minus 4, that is 4x square. 4 minus 3, 4x minus 3x, that is 1x. 1x plus 2x, that is 3x. So this is your final answer, because they are unlike terms. This is x square and this is x. So the variables are different, it means they are unlike terms. So this is your final answer. Add the following. Now student, this is your column method. A part 3x plus 2y and 6x plus 9y. And it is the case of plus. So this is column method. Previous we have done row method. So this is column, first 1 column, 2 column. So 9 plus 2, 11y plus 6 plus 3, 9x. 6 plus 3, 9x. So 9x plus 11y. Now C part. Minus 3n plus 2m, minus 3n plus 12m, 18 minus 17m, 18 minus 17, now plus. Now 12 minus 17, that is minus 5n. 8 minus 3, that is 5n. So 5n minus 5n is the final answer. So this is column method of addition. C part. 5x square plus 7x plus 3, 12x square minus 3x plus 8, 6x square minus 4x plus 9. So find the sum. So initially we write plus sign in place of comma. Now we remove the brackets. So 5x square plus 7x plus 3 plus 12x square minus 3x plus 8 plus 6x square minus 4x plus 9. Now we arrange the like terms. Like term means 5x square, 12x square, 6x square. So 5x square plus 12x square plus 6x square. Then plus 7x minus 3x minus 4x. Then 3 plus 8 plus 9. 3 plus 8 plus 9. Now they are like terms. This is like terms of x square. This is like terms of x. And this is constant term. So 5 plus 12, 17, 17 plus 6, 23 x square. 23 x square. Got it? Now 7x minus 3x, that is 4x. 7x minus 3 is 4x plus 4x and minus 4x. So it is 0x. It is 0x. And 8, 3, 11, 11 plus 9, 20. So the final answer is 23x square plus 20. So this is your final answer. Got it?